Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Tie a ponytail divided into two parts. Now fix them into each other like this as shown in the video. Tie it using the rubber band. Follow the same step for a few more times. Fix the hairs like this and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, take small section of the hairs in the front and tie it using the rubber bands. Divide it and make the plaits on it. Now fix the hairs again as shown in the video. Tie all the hairs together and your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie the hairs on the top and make the plaits. Fix it on the top like this. Now spread the hairs on the sides. After that, divide the hairs from the between into two parts. Tie them together and it's ready. Next, we'll tie the hairs. Take small section of the hairs on the sides like this. Tie them using the rubber bands. Make the plaits and fix it on the left side. Tie it again as shown in the video. Fold it upward and fix it and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the sides using the rubber bands. Now take small section of the hairs on the back and tie it using the rubber band like this. Again take the hairs from the sides, tie it, join all the hairs and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail, fold it upward using this bun making tool, spread the hairs and fix it properly as shown in the video and your bun will be ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.